Itimeme Gambia, ilafta godo student internet okono, bi fanam moto nan kaiti la, ikafo ine P2P. Nying menga alonko, ilafta godon tola, ibukata banki, so moli kenyoron do internet okono godo la. So in platform o nying, abeko ika investment ki sila godo investige. So abeko itala godo ekolta kamodo tonta so me amen tonta la, waka godo nawa jola, aka percento do lakan. So na o lakan saying, abeko etening platform ko tare nyo tema ya family so ni betiwa du ning P2P safanan kenol so barate sometimes element tonto sometimes ni mangodo so akale domain kele fe nyinjo so you have to know that it's a little bit risky in P2P platform owning but it's also an opportunity if you want to invest. If you have not a lot of money, you want to make an experience, you want to start small, you can do P2P also. Or you go to stocks, ETFs, all these things. Katunko nafenko fana ita learning cryptocurrency. So nying ikafane P2P. So the fana account olomenti isa ngele beje euro talulu lulu aning 14 cent wolbeje so ikafane in platform ikafane Bondora Go and Grow. Bondora Go and Grow ikafane wala, okay? So normally, that year for 1,000 something so the year, but 900 more boni in Conland already, not do boni yele. So I invest this money in the Gambia. So what I can say, member ye amansia, but ni build loyalty is investment okay. Abeko P2P a jam platform o jam alveye, but in the platform sabalato la, follow ka for yele, Bondora Go and Grow, aning extra guru, mbofana italale, aning Mintos. Besa wofana beta la, inflow fana beta la, but be betiama nyinela. Yajel. For example, saying, imagine you do imagine saying, a beko saying, and you fenkolmen, na 55 euro, 13 cent, or 30 year on the 2nd of July 2026 yaje so luolung e ka domani soda ko nyin konle so ya famle so luno fa yu ka na fen so ye ba nyin do nyin lu man fen so ye so these are cent abe ko munga can always only 1 cent ka kun goro yim biye wala man sia but if you have let's say 5,000 6,000 you will have more here, okay? And nyim fanang menga dia ikafu menye I know ikafu menye compound interest mbeno fanang mba explain la bari bintu diam wala ya femming ila go follow men invest ipa abeko saying o godo mi wuluye o godo men wulute o fanang sina ko do fanang wuluye le ka for compound interest English kanto bari bintu diam wala so ngai dala tron in dunia kono ni beje you can invest anywhere ya family so if you want to start with Bondora Go and Grow is in the contact I can help you with these things no problem with that, okay? These are not like mulmela lafta case scam abe when platform elementi is legit platform elementi everybody can go there. It's not amankani gulloti amankani femfenti more nika internet use no is sign platform mole ya register ye ya family because it's under European law kafo fair tax number kiyel everything has to be legit mo bukeno scam no yin la into ya family left ko italla al bari mansang na fa nyamena ning fo fe mbaki kanya na kadiale asan YouTube channel kono al subscribe okiye abenti samali ni nyato ite fana ni video win na dulu isa jibe but subscribe onying amanke ni force amanke ni femfenti if anybody decide if you like you can subscribe abe makwela of course but if you don't like it's also fine. The choice is yours, as I always said, but it will definitely help. So left me fanitala beko for example saying is guru bon maji beko your withdraw is guru bon yele so but mala fi je digla nga je ga ben bank account or yitala I don't want to show my bank account because I don't want to be hacked. I don't want to be hacked. Na I don't be complete small hack no so I don't want to be hacked. I don't want to show my my bank account number. So that's what I'm not going to do. You can invite friends here, and yeah, and if you want to withdraw money, you can do it also here. Okay, yeah, fam. So okay, nangana jam fana ngana kumifendo itala bari. Let's go to settings. Aje jam. So my natijan sign time mena abeko aje membe sign. Okay, and fanang nanga jibe nanga it's all the same thing. So goals and invite friends is kafin invite yenole na diate yaje. So you can link on equal share ni o share fana abeko ibede fana abeko ning morning ain platform when you use you will have some part of their the platform you are demanding avec on friend or not yadong you're demanding all these things are possibilities that you can make money so left out you need to be albari man sang if you invite a friend you will get 5 euros. Okay, we now go to invest plus more than 50 euro within 30 days. They will pay you that. Okay, all right. So now it's many opportunities you can do here. Okay, so left in Italy be now I'll start your channel kono I'll subscribe okay na dia talia ma ko la bawa kele ala bara ko ke ala boyo mu sang bye bye.